Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to be showing you guys how I customize and install a new wig. And I'm going to be showing you guys the products I'm using. I have some foam from the beauty supplies hair store. I have the 40 cream developer. And then I also have the quick blue bleach powder from L'Oreal. I also have some aluminum foil, this blue bowl, some wig caps. I have a knife, and I also have some scissors. And the company I am using today is Mellow. It's 100% human hair, and I ordered this off of Aliexpress. Just so you guys know, this video is not sponsored, and I'm just showing you guys their social media. And I know it's backwards, but you know, bear with me. And then they included just like a wig band and a floral headband in the box with my order. So I think that's super cute that they give you like, you know, little goodies with your wig. And then I'm just showing you guys this wig fresh out the package. It has this little net over and the tissue paper inside of where your actual head will go, like where the fake scalp part is. And this is a 20-inch 4x4 lace wig. And then I'm just taking this quick blue bleach and I'm going to open it with some scissors and pour it into the bowl. And then I'm going to just use the 40 cream developer and just keep eyeballing it so I get the perfect consistency, the perfect ratio, so that, you know, everything goes on and applies smoothly. You don't want it to be too liquidy because then it could seep through the lace and bleach your hair. And you don't want it to be too clumpy or thick either because then it won't do its job. So you're just going to see me, you know, mixing it and pouring and mixing and pouring and mixing and pouring until I get that right texture, that right consistency that I want so that I can apply it to the lace to bleach my knots. So as you guys can see, I finally got the consistency that I wanted, and then I'm just going to turn the wig inside out, and I'm going to lay some aluminum foil down on this towel because I've learned from a YouTube video that if you use aluminum foil that it'll help, I guess, heat up the bleach a little bit quicker or better so that, you know, your knots are bleached perfectly. And then I'm just going to take the butter knife and scoop up some of the product and apply it as evenly as I can onto the lace. And you have to make sure that you're not pressing into the lace because that could mess up your hair. Like, you do not want to press into the lace. You just want to apply it over the top of it so you can bleach the knots. You're not trying to bleach your hair. So this is what it should look like after the product is applied all over the lace. And if you were to have a frontal or anything like that, it would look a little bit different. But I just laid that as flat as possible onto my aluminum foil. And I left it on for about 15 to 20 minutes. But you can leave it on and, you know, check the progress as the time goes on to see how it's going. And then I just washed everything when I washed the lace with my Aussie Moist shampoo and conditioner, and I was just showing you guys that. I'm going to be taking my bed head and my Gatsby glue sprays, and these are just, you know, to help lay down my wig cap. I'm going to be doing the bald cap method, so I'm just spraying these along the perimeter of my hairline. And I'm just going to be taking the blow dryer and drying that as I go. And then I'm going to apply a couple layers of both just to get the desired stick that I want. So once I feel like my wig cap is dry and secure, I'm just going to take some scissors and I'm just going to cut as close to my edges as I can get. And here I'm just cutting some little ear tabs or holes in my ear so that I can, hear. No, but just so I can get my ear out. And then I'm just going to cut the lace a little bit, pull my ear out. And yeah, I'm going to just do that on both sides. So yeah, most of what I'm doing is just trying to make it as perfect as possible so you can't see any of the wig cap from my wig, like once my wig is on. I'm just going to try to cut around the perimeter of my head to the best of my ability. Then I'm just going to take this Ghost Bond glue and I'm going to apply it to the wig cap. And I'm just going to apply small dots and then I'm going to kind of smooth it in or rub it in so it's a thin layer. I'm going to dry that and keep going with that until I, get the desired stick and tack that I want for my wig. And now I'm just putting the wig on. I'm going to just try to adjust it so the middle part is actually in the middle of my head and move the lace down, just move it until I get it in the position so it sits the way I want it to sit. I'm going to check and see if you can see the wig cap. And as you see, I'm going to just spray some more of this bedhead spray so it really sticks down right there. I'm just going to cut some of the lace and some of the wig cap until it's to my liking. So I'm just going to use that foam that I showed you guys earlier. And I'm not really trying to style my hair. I'm just adding some products to it so the curls can be defined. Because I really just want to show you guys how this wig looks and how it'll look once you add some products to it. So I'm just going to rake that through my hair so I can really define the curls on this wig. And then I'm just taking my favorite detangling brush. I got that from Walmart, I believe. It's so amazing, especially for curly hair because it can, has the regular bristles, but it also like spreads open into 5 to 6 parts. So that's perfect for detangling curly hair. It really gets all the knots and tangles out. So I love that for my wigs and I love it for my natural hair too. I'm just taking this wide tooth comb, just going through it a little bit more. And I'm going to just take some more of that foam product and keep raking it through my hair, keep defining the curls and, just getting it to the desired look I want. So this is the wig. First and foremost, the hair is very, very soft. It came out the package very soft. It did have a slight smell, but I washed it and everything once I bleached the knots. So the definition is very pretty, and I'm not styling in this video. Like, I put a little bit of the product in, but I'm not gonna like style it or anything in this video. I just literally wanted to install it and just like do my middle part. And I feel like I can do some styles with this. It's just a 4x4 part closure. This is my very first 4x4 part closure with human hair and with this type of like curly hair, so this will be interesting. I definitely like this hair. This is my go-to style when I get wigs. I really like the curly type of look. So I'm excited, like I'm very excited. But like I said, yeah, the hair is very soft. This is 20 inches, and I'm gonna link everything down in the description box. I'll put the link to this specific wig and to like Aliexpress and everything down in the description box. But overall, I really like this hair so far. Obviously, I just installed it for the first time. You see me unboxing it and customizing it for the first time, so I will probably do an updated video later on. But I definitely do like this wig. I like how it looks. I like the definition of it, and it's still pretty damp. And with hair like this, like the ends get poofy quicker, and I like to make it kind of big, or either make it like super big or have like the wet look. But yeah, I really like it. And like I said, fresh out the package, it did have a slight smell. It wasn't anything horrible, just kind of smelled like chemicals, honestly. But it's gone now. I use my Aussie products, so that smell is gone. And I didn't pluck this or anything because I don't really know how to do that. I didn't want to try. I didn't want to mess anything up. But I like it. Like the middle part is really nice. And the hair, like I said, it gets big anyway. So I really don't tell the difference ever if it's plucked or not. But yeah, so far I think it's like a 10 out of 10. I really like it. This is, like I said, my go-to wig style. And so far it's the same as all the other ones I've tried in like look and texture like that. So I'll see how it dries and everything, but other than that, I really like it. The shipping was very fast. I will double check when I ordered it, but I believe, I want to say October 26th, maybe 26th. Yeah, and it's November 2nd. Super quick shipping. They were like good communicators and everything. Hey guys, so I'm just editing this video and I didn't want to steer you guys the wrong way, so I just did want to let you guys know that I didn't really like the hair in the end. It just got very tangled and it was very messy and just dried out, so I would not recommend it, but I will still link the products down below anyways, just in case you want to check it out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe and turn on your post notifications, and I will see you next time.